Are you tired of seeing websites that promise you free Robux just for entering your Roblox username and clicking a few buttons? VBB.one is one of those sites making big claims with almost no real proof. On the surface, it looks like a quick and easy way to earn free Robux just typing your Roblox username. Complete a couple of tasks like taking a quiz or downloading an app, and boom, you're supposedly rewarded. But the moment you start going through the process, things start to feel off. The site immediately redirects you to a string of random, low-quality third-party websites, many of which feel shady or suspicious. Some of these sites ask for personal information, push you to download sketchy software, or try to get you to sign up for free trials that could end up charging you. And here's the worst part: after completing multiple tasks as instructed, no Robux were delivered. Not even a confirmation message. It just leads you in circles. There's no transparency at all, no contact information, no listed company or owner, and absolutely zero mention or endorsement from Roblox themselves. This is a major red flag, especially for younger users who may not realize the risks. There's also a high chance that your clicks and data are being tracked and monetized without your knowledge. While I won't go as far as calling it a scam with criminal intent, it's definitely misleading, untrustworthy, and not worth your time. If something sounds too good to be true, especially in the world of online gaming rewards, it usually is, and VBB.one is a perfect example of that. My advice? Don't fall for the hype. Protect your personal info, protect your account, and stick to earning Robux through trusted, official methods only.